Alright, welcome to the Motorex dashboard. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on some of the functions inside this dashboard. So what you're looking at right now is the individual account for this account. So as you can see here, there's is person ABC. So I'm just going to create a dummy account for this. So and you can see there's multiple tabs in the corner. This first the dashboard, where you can see there's the free credit advertisement here. So each time you top up, you can get free credit. And on the right side here is the referral code. For every time if you refer your personal code, you can get an additional 10 ringgit and 60 cents by inviting your friend. Somehow you can share your referral link. And another thing is, this is our promotional banner. We might change it in the future, so you can get updates from here. So another section is the order tab. So this is the main tab that you will always use to order. So another thing is your order history. So if you ordered previously, your orders will be directly stored in here, and you can sort it by the dates. If you ordered recently, then you can track your orders by which date you prefer to. And you can favorite your own personal favorite that you always send to. You can add new addresses, so you can add new information. And then after that, the next is the invoice. The invoice is basically each time when you top up the amount that you desire, you will get an invoice that will directly show in your invoice tab. And this is your receipt. Each time you create an order, the receipt will show in here, and then depending on the date, you will show the date and receipt number, also the amount paid and the receipt invoice. I think it's the credit note. So credit note is basically the amount of credit that you have and have stored. So example, around here I got 15 credit. Don't mind this because I added 25 ringgit before, and then I change it back to 15. So each time your balance is low, you will ask to prompt a top up now. So if it's below 20 ringgit, then it's asked to top up. Another tab is payment. So payment is categorized in 3. So you can either top up your credit, top up history, and credit history log. So if you top up credit, you will see in this tab where each time you select a top up, you can earn 22.26 credits. So there's different top up tab here. So it's like 20 ringgit, 15 ringgit. For each time you top up, you will get a 22.26 credits. So this is included with SST. So each time you top up, it's already included. So when you click top up and pay with IP88, so it will charge directly 20 ringgit with the SST. Then if you top up history, so depending on the amount, if you top up before, it will show here, mostly it will show here e-payment success, and then the amount of top up. And this is the referral reward. So each time you refer to a friend or any person that you desire, you will become the referrer, and you will get the reward that you get for referring. And lastly is the profile tabs. So basically you need to fill in your details, so your name, your company name, and if you have you put your company registration number and your email. The billing email is also important so that we can bill you directly. And this also if the tracking email. So the tracking email is to get updates each time when you get the job notification. So for example here, email to senders job done notification, there's email to receivers job done notification, and the third destination job. So basically all the emails for every time the job is done, it will send you directly to your email. This is your telephone number. Make sure to put the person's in charge contact number and fill in your addresses down here, and make sure to confirm your to reset your password. After when you create your account, you will go to the dashboard and it will prompt you to directly to your profile if you haven't filled up any details yet. So make sure you can change your password after you verified your email. So for the order step, this is where you can order. So mainly what you will always need to look up is your order tab, where you can select your order. So there's two, is moto and lorry. So I will show you this on another video. And to top up now, so there's two ways for you to top up. If your credit is below 20, you will prompt the top up now. But if your credit is not reaching below 20, you can top up here. Click top up credit, you will go to the same section. So let's say if I go click top up now, we go to the same section. So each time you top up, you'll get more points. So let's say you top up 20, you get another extra 2.26 points. But if you top up 50, you get 8.3 points. So the higher you top up, the higher the amount of credits. So I think that's it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to order using the order tab.